or heard from again, and others jump onto the tracks in the path of the next oncoming train. The only thing of any interest ever to happen along those tracks was back in the early 1900s when a train headed west derailed near that abandoned station, killing 61 people on board and injuring others. The incident was blamed on conductor error and on the fact the rails were misaligned due to shifting of the ground after a heavy rainstorm. There is no known connection between the derailment over 100 years ago and the events that surround the area today.